Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Claude Code and Cursor AI. Claude Code and Cursor AI both aim to enhance coding productivity with different roles. Claude Code is a conversational AI that excels at generating, explaining, and reviewing code across many languages. It's highly effective for understanding complex logic, writing detailed code snippets, and debugging through plain English. It offers a Pro plan at $70 per month, the Max 5X plan at $100 per month, and the Max 20X plan at $200 per month. It is great for learning, prototyping, and exploring solutions with natural back-and-forth interaction. However, it's not embedded in an IDE, so it lacks features like real-time collaboration on in-editor execution. Meanwhile, Cursor AI is a developer-centric code editor with built-in AI designed to assist you directly within your workflow. It provides real-time code suggestions, inline explanations, and context-aware helps as you type. It is built on VS Code, it supports extensions, and integrates smoothly with existing tools and repository. It is ideal for developers who want smart, hands-on AI support while actively coding in an AI editor. In my opinion, Claude excels at complex logic and broad explanations, while Cursor is ideal for hands-on development with seamless IDE integrations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.